Now we will come in question number 2. Solve each of the following. So you have to read it and solve it. Question A is, by how much in is 6325 smaller than 9988? So what we can do in this? First you have to write this number and minus this number from this number, like this. So you get your answer. Minus it. This is 8 minus 5 from 8. What you get? 3. Here you have to minus 2 from 8. You get 6. Minus 3 from 9. You get 6. Minus 6 from 9. You get 3. So this is your answer. Smaller number than this is this. Now question number 2. Question B. What should be subtracted from this to get this? If we subtract a number with this number, so we get this. So we have to find that number. Okay. So in this again we have to minus this number to this number, so we get our answer. So here question B, first we have to write our number. This is number, and what we subtract from this, we get this number. So we have to minus this number to this number. Minus it. Here we have 9 minus 2 from 9. So what we get? 7. We have to minus 1 from 6. We get 5. We have here 8 minus 3 from 8. What we get? 5. And we have to minus 2 from 5. We get. So this is our answer. If we minus this number to this number, we get this number. Okay. Now question C. What should be added to this to make it this? What we get? Add a number, we add with this number, so we get this number. What we can do in this? Yes, we have to minus this number to this number. Again we have to do minus, right? Question C. Right, our first number 9999 and second number we have to write like this, minus it. So we have to minus 1 from 9, we have 8. 2 from 9 we have 7. 6 from 9 we have 3. 5 from 9 we get 4. So this is our answer. This is very easy. First you have to understand the question, and after that you can do easily solve it. Question number D. How much greater is this than this? Again we have to minus this number to this number, we get our answer here. Okay. So again we have to understand this here. Question D. We have to do this. So our question is $8,602, and always write from back side. This is right. Now minus it. Here you have 2 and 6. So what we can do in this, we have to get a borrow from 6 to this. So here we have take 1. So here we have 10. We will give 1 to here. So what we have here 9 and here we have 12. Minus it 6 from 12. What we get? 6. 9 minus 3 from 9. What we get? 6. Here we have 5 and minus 2 from 5. What we get? 3. And we have to minus 5 from 8. What we get? 3. So this is your answer. Now we will come in question number E. The sum of two numbers is this. If one of them this, find the other number. Okay. So in this question we have a total number. We have a sum of two numbers and one number is there. And second number we have to find. So what we can do in this? We have to again minus this number to this total number. We get our second number. Okay. So first we have to write our first number. What is total number? 88,765 and our first number is 43,632, right? And we have to find second number. So what we can do? We have to minus first number with total number, so we get second number, right? Here we have 5 minus 2 from 5. What we get? 3. 3 from 6. What we get? 3. 6 from 7. What we get? 1. 3 from 8. What we get? 5. And 4 from 8. What we get? 4. So this is our second number. This is our answer. Now our question F. Find a number which is 3,311 smaller than the number 8,632. Here again we have to minus this number to this number. So we get our answer. Question F. What is 8,632 minus this number? So here we have 1 minus 1 from 2, we get 1. Minus 1 from 3, we get 2. Minus 3 from 6, we get 3. Minus 3 from 8, we get. So this is our answer.